Hi teacher, my name is Laura Nila Correa and I talk about the quality of the evaluation and methods. First, I describe the method. Exists two methods that are subjective or objective. For the subjective method, the concept is an evaluation method that quantify the quality of experience of the user given a service from a physical, acoustic, and visual perspective. For this method evaluates the things that express the user for the quality of some experience that live in some different things and are two main testing that are listening only and the conversational and have the absolute and relative rating and the category and the continuous rating. This is most important in the probability for contain and distribute the some databases or some data films for the results of the quality of the users. For the subjective method, evaluating data sets that are excellent, good, fair, poor, or bad. That is the things that evaluate for the some categories. And the objective method, that is the principle and overview. This method presents that the objective is estimate a subjective quality from the objective that indicate the user. Present the result of the objective that present in the quality that study in this moment. Employee satisfactory methods, the media layers, some parametrical things, and quality predictions, and have three models that are full reference, not reference, and reduce reference for improve and testing some different things. Um, this estimation of this method requires some access of the input and output standards. And those are the two methods that present today. For me, one of the most important examples of the quality of experience of the users are the publicity that generate Coca-Cola with the social networks. And I want to work with this example because Coca-Cola's have some campaigns to move through social networks for creating a greater social impact, and in this way present that is there is a method of this subjective because present and socialize with the table of the evaluation of five aspects that present in the first slide, and with that concludes the results and includes some different results that produce with this advertising for the company and for the principal users. Now I am going to present a very common example, and it is the presentation of a video. Let's say in university, it is a task and it is to present a video of some common topic. It is a quality of the method of the objective method experience because with this task you want to reach the proposed objective from the beginning because the path to be researched is now and it is the same way that could be the possible results. Then another of the most common and very important example is to say the teacher perception survey that is carried out every semester at the university. We, the students, will be the users who can rate the quality of experience of the subjective method because it has the results of the persons of the perception according to the qualification that is considered necessary on the some aspects that evaluate the teacher and is the range for the 5 4 3 2 1 that associate from the subjective method table. Another example that I want to give today is a programming algorithm that must be present to the company in which works. It is a quality of objective method of experience because it has the necessary requirements to reach the point of the algorithm that is requested, and therefore this way you have the planning, monitoring and all the tests that must be done to achieve the result that presented that company. And so we could have a number of examples that could be studied with the quality of experience of the user in some different aspects. For this, for me, as a conclusion, it is seems very important to know the method in which the quality of the experience is classified. Sign is important and required for different activities that I want to carry out in the same way to know the type of the evaluation and the results that are obtained with each of the methods. Thank you.